I'm one of the organizers, and we are 3 chairs of this meeting. And this is I think it's my 5th time which I've been organizing this type of meetings, or schools actually. And it's been very exciting, and it's so exciting to see each year how much involvement the students are doing and how much they contribute to the conference. The discussions are getting better and better, and I think this year it's been really exciting. I think the difference is that they are small, limited number of students, and they get these really, because it's a long time, and they get these interaction. And they have time to interact also in the breaks, and they can present their work in the posters, and they have all these lively discussions. And I think for them, because they are at different levels, some are PhD, and some are PhD, some are MD, so it's the mix, which I think also is very, very important to have this mix. And it's not a specialized meeting. We try to cover everything in translational cancer research. Definitely, and I think I said that in previous meeting that when it was finished, I said that I hope you go home pregnant, but not really pregnant in that sense, but pregnant with new ideas and new collaboration. And I know that they already have had some reunion of some of the first meetings here of the young ones that have started to collaborate. And this is the sort of shown today also that a lot of these research are team efforts. Interdisciplinarity is very, very important, and you need all different fields, and you need to work together. And I think that's what they see, and they start to know a little bit of the whole field, and then they can specialize, but then they know who to contact. During my time, because it was the early Gordon conferences, that was, you selected students to go to the Gordon conferences, you had to be there all the time. And also as speakers, you had to be there for at least more than 2 days, so you could interact. And that's what we urge the speakers to do, is also to interact with the students. And so it has been, but it's been much more limited in that sense. It's been the Gordon conferences, that's very specific topics. So I think that the extraordinary with this one is that it's really trying to cover the field from the basic science to the really clinical, to the epidemiology, to science policy, to drug discovery. So I think that's the beauty of this one, that they get a touch of everything in 1 week. I hope that they have learned that that the interdisciplinarity or the multidisciplinarity is going to be very important for their future career. It's not only multidisciplinarity, but it's also multiprofessionality. That you need to work with the clinicians, the MDs and the non-MDs. We had some physicists here. The group I'm missing here is actually some mathematician, model builders. So hopefully we can attract some of them next year to have some of the young bioinformaticians that really want to do the modeling at the mathematical level.